We're here looking at a beautiful 1968 Rally Sport Camaro. It's a beautiful car here. It's been beautifully restored and upgraded. And the owner has taken it out of his garage and driven it down here to the edge of his driveway. And I'm going to just do a quick walk around. And I'm going to ask him to start it for us. It's just come the length of his driveway, so the engine's still pretty cool. And okay, can you go ahead and start it up for us? Give us a little rev on that. I said give us, okay, and we'll do a little rev. That's what we want to hear.